What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete a chess.com account. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in chess.com. So you will be redirected to the home page of chess.com. Now, when you come to the website, on your left side, you will see two options of sign up and log in. So if you are new to chess.com, just sign up with your email and password. But if you already have an account, click on login and log in with your email, password, and other credentials. Now, after signing or logging up, you will see this type of dashboard, and then on your left side, when you hover to the settings option, you can see the options of all settings. Click on this option, and then after coming here, click on membership. If you don't find it in the membership, you can click on accounts, and after coming into accounts, you will have an option of close your account. So this says, do you want to permanently delete your chess.com account? We are sorry to see you go, but please consider contacting member support to let us know how we can improve your chess experience. So from here, you can simply click on this option of close account. So this will close your account, and for security reasons, it will ask your password and it will verify that you are a human. And after verifying and entering your password, you can simply click on close account. So it will delete your chess.com account. So this is how you can delete your chess.com account. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.